Welcome back, everyone. Today I just want to share with you a very quick tip that I have for using Cocoa Daisy kits and taking an insert from one month to another. So this insert is actually from So Much Crafting, and it is my Christmas insert, and I'll put a link below that goes over the entire insert for you. But basically, I start using this insert in November for my thankful thoughts, and then in December, obviously, I'm using it for more Christmas planning. So I wanted to have a cover on here that was permanent and looked nice, but would also work in both my November and December setup. So what I did was I started by picking a neutral paper, which was this wood grain paper from the November Acorn Lane kit. And then I stuck one of these adhesives on the back, and I will link these below for you. But basically this whole back piece is adhesive. You take it off and you put it down like a sticker, and then you have this pocket. So what I did was take one of the personal size dashboards and added one of the tabs, and I enjoy having it like this, and it's kind of perfect with the giving thanks saying on the front, since that's what I use the November monthly for. And then on the back, I just wanted to give myself another option, and I used a kit card and some of the die cuts, and then I can just slide that right into the pocket for decoration. And then my thought was, obviously for December, I can take that part out and pop in something from the December kit, and it's still gonna match and look really pretty with the wood grain background. So that's how I plan to use the Cocoa Daisy papers to go from one month to another and still coordinate. And I hope maybe that gave you guys some ideas or kind of like a hack, I guess, with these adhesives. You could do that with lots of different things. Thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know.